Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to import all the CSV files in a single folder into Power BI Desktop. So I've got this folder here with me. Let me just open that. I've got 3 CSV files here. I've got data for 2011, 2012 and 2013, and I'll show you how it looks like. So let me just select all of this and I'll open it in Notepad++ so you can see how my data is. So I've got data for 2012, data for 2013, and then I've got data for 2011. So in a way it just contains the calendar year, the product subcategory name, and the total sales amount. So I have data for these 3 years, 2011, 2012 and 2013. So we'll learn how to bring all of that data into the Power BI Desktop. So I'm on the Home tab on the Power BI Desktop, as you can see, and I click on Get Data. And here I'll go and say text. So instead of saying text or CSV, I will just point it and say I want to get data from a folder. So that option doesn't exist here. So I'll click on More. And I'll select the folder option here, and then I'll click Connect. And what I need is the location of the folder. So I'll grab this and I'll just put it in the folder path and I'll hit OK. And you can see it's identified there are 3 files, 2011, 2012 and 2013. It's defined the type for this and it's saying combine those files. So what I'll do is I'll keep this option and I'll hit transform data. And when I hit that, it will open the Power Query editor for me. So we can use that to explain the concepts further as well. So you can see here that it's showing me the data. So it's for 2011, 2012 and 2013. So there is this option. So I'll click on this double arrow. And I'm happy with that. So it's saying the first file is this, and this is how the contents look like, and I'm happy with that. So I'll just hit OK. And you can see that what Power Query Editor has done is it's combined all the files for me, and it's defined the steps as well as part of that. And if I click on the source name, I'll see that it has picked up the 3 files, 2011, 2012 and 2013. So in a way, by following the method, we were able to get all the data from these 3 files. Now let's say I get one of these files. So I'll take this out. I do a Control X and I pull it out. So I've now got 2013 doesn't sit in that folder anymore. So when we go here, and I'll go and refresh preview, but I'll say refresh all. So it runs it and you can see it's only got data for 2011 and 2012. Yeah. Now let's say you just keep getting data for every new year into this. So we'll just go in here and we'll just copy and paste. So we used to have 2013, we took it out, and when he refreshed it, just showed us data for 2011 and 2012. So now we've also put data for 2014 in. So I'll refresh again, refresh all. And now if I click on the source name, you can see it's showing me 4 files. So what I could do is I could remove this column, and then I've got data for all the years. And if I hit close and apply, it will append all the data from all these 4 files. So in a way, you have to understand that the structure for all the files has to be the same. Otherwise, this will not work. And then I'm able to import the files. And as and when more and more files keep getting added, when we refresh, it will automatically refresh and bring the data into the Power BI desktop. So we've got the data. I'll just go and quickly again sort of just browse that. And if I filter here, I can again see 2011, 2012, 2013 and 2014. So in this video, we've learned how to get data. So in this video, we've learned how to get the data from CSV files sitting in a folder. And as we keep adding more and more CSV files into the folder and we hit refresh, it will get that data and fetch it in, as long as those files have the same structure for the data. The data types are the same and the column names are the same and they are in the same order. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.